At this moment, with every ounce of my energy and spirit, I am here. Call upon the best of me. You have been brought into life for a time such as this. In the Old Testament, when Mordecai spoke to Queen Esther and advised her that she had to serve and save her people, he said, you have been brought into life for a time such as this. That was a phrase I heard often when I was growing up. We have each been given life for a reason. Of all the moments in history, this is the one, right now, that is filled with the greatest promise. This is your time. This is your chance. Look forward to you voting for me on the 6th and before. Look forward to serving you in the county, and thank you very much for your attention.
Randy, back behind the curtain, I could have sworn I heard the pin pulled on that canister. Don't be afraid to use it.